You need to watch this if you struggle with self-doubt or want to unlock your true potential. What's something people don't know about the power of positive thinking? This classic book has helped millions rise above challenges, feel more confident, and see the world in a brighter light. What if the secret to a better life is simpler than you think? Inspired by the timeless wisdom found in The Power of Positive Thinking, this guide will show you how a single shift in your mindset can open doors you never imagined. Whether you're facing a tough day or dreaming of a fresh start, positive thinking is the key that can transform your life, starting right now. Let's discover how to plant the seeds of optimism and watch them grow into something extraordinary. What exactly is positive thinking? It's a term we encounter frequently, but its true meaning often goes deeper than we realize. According to the book, positive thinking isn't about forcing happiness or ignoring reality. Instead, it's a conscious mindset, a deliberate way of interpreting and responding to life's events that can reshape our experiences and outcomes. Positive thinking doesn't mean pretending that problems don't exist, or turning a blind eye to life's difficulties. The book emphasizes that acknowledging challenges is essential, and positive thinking is about how we choose to respond to them. Life naturally brings both joy and hardship, sunshine and rain. There are moments of happiness, and there are times of uncertainty and struggle. Positive thinking, as described in the book, is the choice to seek out the light even when circumstances are difficult. It's about finding hope and motivation, even when things seem bleak. Imagine your mind as a garden. Positive thoughts are like flowers, while negative thoughts are like weeds. The book suggests that, just as a gardener nurtures their plants, we can cultivate our minds by focusing on thoughts that help us thrive. This process involves regularly removing negative thoughts and intentionally planting positive ones. It's a continual practice requiring effort and patience, but the benefits are significant. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring adversity, but about facing it with resilience and optimism. The book highlights that this mindset gives us the strength to address challenges and persist through setbacks. Think of positive thinking as a lantern in a dark cave. It doesn't eliminate the darkness, but it illuminates the path ahead. Even a small amount of optimism can make a meaningful difference when life feels overwhelming. The book recommends starting with simple habits, such as noting what you're grateful for or affirming your strengths. Over time, these practices lay the groundwork for a more optimistic outlook. Like any skill, positive thinking improves with practice. At first it may feel unfamiliar, but with persistence it becomes more natural and effective. The process may be unsteady at first, but gradually you'll find yourself navigating life's challenges with greater confidence and composure. Positive thinking enables you to recognize the good in yourself, in others, and in everyday moments. It opens your perspective to opportunities, kindness, and beauty that might otherwise be overlooked. The book describes positive thinking as a quiet strength that grows with use. Like a tree that becomes sturdier over time, your ability to think positively strengthens with consistent practice. This mindset also helps manage stress and maintain calm amid chaos. It's a practical tool for steadying yourself, regardless of what life brings. With time, positive thinking becomes your default approach. You begin to trust your ability to handle whatever comes your way. This mindset can unite people, inspire hope, and create a ripple effect of well-being and happiness. The power of positive thinking is available to everyone. As the book explains, it's a real and transformative force, ready for you to embrace one thought and one day at a time. Feeling down, anxious, or unsettled is a normal part of the human experience. These emotions often serve as important signals, indicating that we may need to pause, reflect, or care for ourselves. Our minds are wired to be vigilant, always scanning for potential threats, a trait that once helped our ancestors survive. However, this protective instinct can sometimes become overactive, causing us to dwell on what might go wrong. As a result, we may find ourselves wandering through the shadowy terrain of negative thinking. We might anticipate difficulties or focus on past disappointments. Over time, these patterns can become habitual, making negative thinking feel almost automatic. But just as well-trodden paths in a forest can be changed, so too can our mental habits. We are not destined to remain in the shadows. With conscious effort, we can discover brighter perspectives. We can train ourselves to notice possibilities and opportunities. Every mind has the capacity to move toward optimism and hope. This is the foundation of positive thinking. Norman Vincent Peale's The Power of Positive Thinking has become a classic guide for anyone seeking a more optimistic and fulfilling life. His teachings have touched millions, encouraging people to reframe challenges as opportunities and to nurture hope, even in difficult times. The principles he shares are straightforward, yet they have the potential to transform your outlook and your life. The first principle is simple: believe in yourself. Peale emphasizes that self-confidence is the foundation of positive thinking. Even when doubts arise, remind yourself that you possess inner strength and resilience. Everyone encounters uncertainty, but faith in your own abilities is the first step toward overcoming obstacles and achieving personal growth. Like the lion cub discovering its strength, you may not realize your full potential until you put yourself to the test. Each time you face a challenge, your confidence grows. Peale's message is clear: courage and capability are often revealed through action. Trust that you can handle life's difficulties and grow from them. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn more about yourself. By persevering through adversity, you build resilience and open the door to new possibilities. The second principle is to visualize positive outcomes. Peale suggests that imagining success, whether before a meeting, a project, or any important event, can help you feel more prepared and confident. Visualization acts as a mental rehearsal, making your goals feel attainable and real. This process signals to your mind what you want to achieve and primes you for action. When you set clear intentions and picture yourself succeeding, you become more focused, motivated, and ready to pursue your objectives. The third principle is to use positive language. The words you choose, especially when speaking to yourself, have a powerful impact. Positive self-talk can elevate your mood, boost your confidence, and help you approach challenges with optimism. Speaking kindly to yourself lays the groundwork for self-respect and hope. Instead of saying, "This is impossible," try, "I can find a way." Shifting your language changes your mindset. When you replace self-doubt with encouragement, you empower yourself to persist, even when things are tough. Positive words energize and motivate you. They help sustain your drive and remind you of your capabilities. Celebrating progress, no matter how small, builds momentum for greater achievements. These practical principles, self-belief, visualization, and positive language, can help anyone cultivate hope and achieve more. Whether you're facing a major challenge or simply navigating daily life, these tools are always available to you. Think of them as a map to the brighter places in your mind. By practicing these habits, you create space for optimism, joy, and new opportunities. It's like discovering sunlight in a dense forest. Suddenly, the path ahead feels clearer and more inviting. Start small. Jot down your goals, offer yourself a kind word each morning, or take a moment to visualize a successful outcome. Over time, these small actions can lead to significant, lasting change. The potential for positive change is already within you. You don't need to search far or wait for someone else to inspire confidence. It's there, ready for you to recognize and use. All you need to do is unlock it. Begin today and let the wisdom of Mr. Peale guide you toward a brighter, more positive future. Every day offers a new opportunity to believe in yourself and let your best self shine. Life is a journey of discovery about the world and about yourself. Positive thinking is your ally along the way. It transforms obstacles into opportunities for growth. When facing a tough challenge, negative thoughts might say, "I can't do this." But positive thinking reminds you, "I'm prepared, I'll give it my best." This mindset brings calm and clarity. Presenting to a group, instead of fearing mistakes, think, "I have something valuable to share." Positive thinking opens your mind, making you curious and eager to learn. Mistakes become lessons, not failures. This makes daily life more enjoyable and helps you flourish. An open mind absorbs knowledge and grows. Let positivity light your path in life. It's a powerful way to thrive. Meaningful friendships are essential at every stage of life. According to the book, positive thinking is a powerful tool for building and nurturing these relationships. When conflicts arise, negative thoughts can drive a wedge between people. But a positive mindset encourages open dialogue and resolution. Meeting new people, the book suggests replacing anxiety with the thought, "I can be approachable and welcoming." Positivity naturally attracts others. Warm, kind individuals draw people in. Good thoughts foster good feelings, and those feelings are infectious. They spread, creating a supportive circle of friendship. Even small acts of courage, like greeting someone new, can open the door to new connections. Positive thinking helps you recognize the best in others, and in yourself. it transforms challenges into opportunities for deeper connection. Friendships thrive in the light of positivity, and life's journey becomes all the more rewarding because of it. Life often presents us with challenges. Sometimes they seem insurmountable. Positive thinking acts as your support, providing the resilience needed to persevere. It doesn't remove the obstacles, but it empowers you to move forward, one step at a time. In moments of disappointment or setback, negative thoughts can easily take over. But a positive mindset says, "This is difficult, but I can learn, adapt, and try again." This approach doesn't ignore pain or frustration, but seeks a constructive path forward. It fosters resilience and encourages growth through adversity. Remember, every challenge is just one chapter in your life, not the entire story. Positive thinking helps you discover solutions and emerge stronger. It transforms problems into opportunities to learn and grow. Each experience, even the difficult ones, offers valuable lessons. With a positive outlook, you can navigate tough times and gain wisdom along the way. Hope makes the journey lighter and more meaningful. Keep moving forward, you have more strength than you realize. Positive thinking is a skill that anyone can develop with intention and practice, as described in the book. Begin your morning by focusing on a positive thought. This simple act can set a constructive tone for your entire day. Each day, make it a habit to notice 3 things you appreciate, no matter how small. Recording these moments helps train your mind to recognize the positive. When negative thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment, and gently redirect your focus. Try reframing "I can't do this" into "This is challenging, but I'm willing to give it a try." Don't hesitate to seek support or guidance when you need it. Consistent small efforts like these can lead to significant changes over time. It's much like opening the curtains to let natural light fill your space. Adopting a curious, optimistic outlook can make everyday experiences more rewarding. Make it a daily practice to choose thoughts that serve you well. Over time, your mindset will naturally become more positive, and you'll notice a real difference in how you feel. Every person carries within them a sense of wonder and aspiration. You have the ability to choose your thoughts and, in doing so, shape the course of your life. Positive thinking is a powerful tool already within you, a hidden resource waiting to be embraced. It costs nothing, but it does require your attention and willingness to practice. Trust in your own strength and in your ambitions, regardless of their scale. You are capable of learning, adapting, and overcoming any challenge. This belief forms the foundation of a fulfilling and positive life. Plant these seeds of thought in your mind and nurture them each day. Allow positive thoughts to guide you and elevate your spirit. Your journey is always unfolding. With positivity, you can rise above and achieve more than you imagined. The world is open to your unique contributions. Trust yourself and take that first step forward. The sky is limitless. Believe in yourself and begin. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and positivity. Your journey continues here.